Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to do the extreme level of RAM management test comparison between the iQOO 9 SE device versus Realme GT2 using the 15 applications as a RAM management test. Let's see friends which phone will be able to store how many applications in the background as a RAM management. So that's the reason I thought of pushing the limit slightly more. So 15 applications right now I selected friends, and let's find out which UI will be able to keep them in the background RAM management. And first let me quickly restart the both devices at this moment. That's a basic test. So we'll try to do the restart between these both phones. So in the Realme GT2 device, slightly that's kind of different. You need to use a power button and volume button to restart. That's only in the Realme GT2 device. That's not in other Realme smartphones. I'm not sure why the Realme has changed like this. Anyway, so I did upload a lot of other speed test videos as well on the Realme GT2 smartphone. So if you did not watch, check out those videos in the playlist. Those will be available. And if you want to get this kind of cases for the Realme GT2 device, so make sure to join my Telegram group, so which I created for the Realme GT2 users. Not only that, even for the iQOO and SE also there's a separate Telegram group available. iQOO and SE is a Telegram group. As you can, this is a Telegram group name. And Realme GT2, the Telegram group name is exactly Realme GT2 5G. There you can actually find all the links for the cases and the tempered glass. In case if you want, you can use those links and to buy. And make sure you use my links in description as well to buy the products from Amazon website and to support my channel. And right now both phones are connected to same 5 GHz network exactly right now, as you can see. 5 GHz. Both phones are right now connected, and let's get started friends with this kind of speed test comparison between these both phones. All the apps are completely cleared, and I'm trying to use the external RAM capabilities 8 plus 5 GB in the Realme GT2 device without any kind of issues. So now let's start with the speed test comparison. Slightly let me zoom in. Now let's start with the first application is a Chrome application. Let's keep them in the background RAM management, this Chrome. Next is a Hotstar also. Let's keep the bottom page as in the background. So bottom page I'm trying to keep completely bottom. Okay, and next is Amazon. Sorry, I did not click at same time. And this is going to be really kind of intense kind of RAM management test friends, so that's what I'm going to push both phones limits. Let's find out which phone will be the clear winner. So there's been huge discounts going on the iPhone 13 at this moment. So is a Facebook as well. Let's keep them in the background as a RAM management. So Facebook has been open and is a speed test. In the speed test, let's keep the results page. So this page I'm trying to keep in the background, and is a Play Store. In the Play Store, let's keep some random game in the background as well. Is a touch sampling rate. I'll try to draw some lines in the touch sampling rate as well. So there's some problem with this touch sampling rate friends in the iQOO 9 SE device. It's not registering like higher touch sampling rate when you try to see right now, as you can see. So till now I did not receive any kind of software updates in the iQOO and SE to fix this touch sampling rate. Anyway, I'll just try to keep this Instagram in the background as well. Here's a Flipkart application. Let's keep this Samsung F22 in the background, and here's a YouTube music application as well right now. I'll try to keep some random. Let's keep this in the background RAM management as well. Here's a cricket score. Wow, 207, the DC. That's pretty good score. And let's move to the Book My Show page. And let's keep this, of course, my favorite movie, KGF, in the background. Is Prime Videos. This movie let's keep in the background, and is Z5. And the Z5, let's go to the movies section and keep this movies in the background in the Z5. And finally, the Daily Hunt I did not click at same time. Oh, I did click at same time, but it did not open anyway. So finally friends, I did open 15 applications are completely open between these both phones. You can definitely see here clearly 15 applications from starting Chrome to end of the Daily Hunt. I'm getting haptic feedback when I'm trying to move the applications in the Realme GT2, so just a thought of informing to you all. And there's no haptic feedback in the iQOO and SE when you're trying to move it. So anyway, let's start with the RAM management test from the back side. So not from the front side. From the front side, if you try to go, I think most applications will be completely closed in the Realme smartphone. But let's go from the back side, backward in this way. Okay, let's start with the first Chrome. So first row, it will be very smooth most of the time. As you can see, the first row is very smooth, and second row also it's going to be smooth a little bit. Flipkart did struggle, but let's see the Instagram, what happens Instagram. Not bad. Instagram was able to maintain in the background RAM management. And next is a touch sampling rate. Touch sampling rate I'll try to open from the background RAM management only, because you should see this is open between these both phones. As you can see, 1, 2 and 3. Boom. It's not there. In the Realme GT2, it's not there exactly. It has been completely gone. And next is a Play Store. It's there. Next is a speed test application. So you can see the results page. So both phones again, the iQOO and SE did went to the home screen, but Realme GT2 also did went to the video mode anyway. But what is the next game? Is a Facebook. Is a Facebook application. So both phones did keep the Facebook, and next is Amazon application, I guess. Amazon, we can see the iPhone 13. iQOO and SE did keep the Amazon 13 in the background without even getting reloaded. And is Hotstar. Hotstar, I did scroll down completely to the bottom. As you can see the bottom page. As it is, both phones did open. Not bad. The Realme GT2. And finally, the Chrome application reloaded. So overall, friends, it's kind of very close with the iQOO and SE in terms of the RAM management using these 15 applications. Definitely, it's kind of really intense testing. So even in this kind of intense testing, most of the applications are completely there in the background RAM management in the iQOO and SE. So most of the applications kind of there, but not that much, like closed in the Realme GT2 device overall. Now let's start with the back side. Now this is what actually happens if you try to go back again. Next is Z5, movies page, but it went to home screen. Next in the Prime videos, yes. Book My Show, yes. Yes. YouTube Music got slightly kind of reloaded. Flipkart, Insta, touch sampling rate, yes. Play Store, Speedtest. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching. This is a quick comparison between these both phones exactly in regarding the RAM management test and overall opening speeds and closing speeds. I'm just trying to show you the overall RAM management test using the 15 applications. Meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching, and definitely the iQOO and SE has got slight advantage regarding the RAM management test when compared with the Realme GT2 device. If you are planning to buy this device, try to buy the 12GB RAM. That will be really helpful for the RAM management. Meanwhile, signing off until next day for more updates, and